Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes at home. First, combine your dry ingredients. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in a large bowl. Whisk them together thoroughly to ensure even distribution. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This simple preparation sets the stage for fluffy pancakes. Now it's time to combine your wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a whisk or spatula until they are just combined. It's crucial not to overmix. A few small lumps are actually a good sign and will lead to tender, fluffy pancakes. Overmixing develops gluten, making your pancakes tough. With your batter ready, heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip them carefully and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Serve your delicious, fluffy pancakes immediately with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, fresh berries, or whipped cream. If you have any leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days, or frozen for longer. For easy reheating, simply pop them in the toaster or microwave. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.